here at Stitching Kitchen, we often asked our opinion about what fabric might suit a particular project. A lot of the fabrics we have here include something called viscose, and people say, what is viscose? Viscose is a man-made fibre, but it's made from cellulose. Cellulose comes from wood, from bamboo, from plant materials. So that means that the end product acts very similar to cotton. It's still breathable, and you can develop the fibre in it whatever way you want because it's man-made. It's kind of made mechanically. You can make thick fibres, you can make thin fibres. And those fibres can then go on into various different weights of fabrics. So the term viscose is kind of the umbrella term. You may also see some brand names and some names that refer to different processes. So things that say rayon, tencel, those sorts of things fit within the viscose arena. As I said, they are breathable and they can be created into all sorts of fabrics, depending on the weight used and the weave and the processing. So we've got two viscoses in front of us. One is 100% viscose. This is a fabric that behaves very much like a cotton lawn. It's nice and drapey, and it would be absolutely perfect for a summer skirt or dress. This is printed up. This one is using viscose to help out some linen. So this is quite a slubby linen, brilliant for skirts and trousers. The viscose stops it creasing quite so much. So, and again, incredibly breathable. And working with the linen, it's all natural fibres again. So viscose can be a lot of things. It can also actually be used as a knit fabric, so you could knit it up into a jersey. Again, it's going to be nice and breathable. So although viscose and the word man-made might make you panic and think plastic, viscose is not plastic. It is made from plant fibres, and we love it. And I suggest you give it a go in your next sewing project.